Hello and welcome back to the Python 3.4 Beginners tutorial, and today I will be talking about inheritance. So we've been sticking with the metaphor of the people, or the people class, person. We're going to continue with that a little bit. So we're going to make a class, and we're going to call this parent. Now, why I'm calling this parent is because when you inherit something, you are considered the child of the class that you are inheriting from. So I'm going to make a class called parent, and I'm just going to create a function called get underscore parent, and it's going to take self. Then it's just going to print I am a parent. Whoops. Okay, I'm a parent. Okay, so I'm going to make another class, and you can have more than one class in one file. And I'm going to call this child. So this is going to be the child of the parent, if that makes sense. I know it's probably confusing. So what inheritance is, think of it like parameters, except it's not really parameters. It's parameters for classes, and what it does is whatever you inherit from, so I'm inheriting from parent, basically I will get all of the things from parent. So this function get parent, I will have get parent. So if I go ahead and I just create a function called get underscore child, and this will also take self. Okay, so think of this function being in this class. So I'm inheriting it, so it's kind of like importing, but not exactly. So I have every function from the parent now because I'm inheriting from parent. So inside of this function, I'm just going to print I am a child, child of parent. Okay, so now we can go ahead and create an object. I'll call this C for child, and I'm not even going to make a parent object. I'm just going to make a child object to show you that inheritance really works like this. So created my object. Now I can do C dot, and then I can use the functions from parent. So I can do get underscore parent. So I can use the function from parent. So I can do C dot get underscore parent, and then I can do C dot get underscore child. And what would happen, or what will happen, sorry, is if I run this, it gives me both of them because I have gotten every single thing from this class up here, parent, and basically it just gave me all the functions inside of parent. Now you can inherit more than one thing at a time, so I'm going to change this up a little bit. I'm going to have a class called mom, and you don't need parentheses in the classes that aren't inheriting from everything, but it is optional. But if you are inheriting, you obviously need parentheses, and inside of it is whatever you're inheriting from. So in class mom, I'm going to create a function called mom underscore eyes, and this is just kind of a real world example how you get like genes from your parents, and if your mom has brown eyes, you can get brown eyes from your mom. Okay, so this is going to take self, and I'm just going to just print my eyes are green. Okay, so your mom has eyes, and mom eyes, a function, and her eyes are green. So then I can go ahead and make another class, and I could call this dad, and I think you can see where I'm going with this. So this one is going to have a function called dad eyes, and it's going to be self, and he's going to have brown eyes. So I'm going to print my eyes are brown. Okay, so now we're going to have our child class. So class child, and I want to inherit from mom, and you separate these with a comma, and I want to inherit from dad. So then we do our colon like usual, and then I can just print define kid eyes, and this will take self and just print my eyes are, we'll just do blue just for the example. So now I'm going to create a child object, so C for child, and this is going to be a child. Now I don't have to throw out any parameters But now I can do C dot, and then I can do mom eyes with the parentheses, and then I can do C dot dad eyes, parentheses, and then I can do C dot kid eyes, and parentheses. So what will happen is I just created an object from the child class, and it's called C, and I'm just going to use the function mom eyes from the mom class and dad eyes from the dad class. So if I run this, you will see I got all of these functions printed out here. So this is inheritance right here, and multiple inheritance. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, and if you have any questions, I will answer them for you in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one.